Hey guys, Crypto Mentor 99. How you doing? How you doing? How you doing? I stopped doing that for some unknown reason. So it is still June the 3rd, and I'm waiting for a friend, and I'm just gonna go on a walk. I have no idea where I'm going. I'm not super adventuresome when I travel, but I got like 2 hours to kill. And I think, as I remember correctly, there's a gas station up here. We'll find out in about 35 seconds. Anyhow, it's warm here this morning. Met a lot of college and university students who I was fortunate enough to know spoke English. And one of the things about me, I've got a lot of faults. Sometimes I could be loud, rude, and obnoxious. But there's something about language barriers that never bothered me. It seems like I could not carry on a great conversation with somebody, but I could at least get my point across. And I love meeting people that don't look like me, that don't talk like me, that maybe is either way above me in the social stratosphere or way below me. I just love talking to people wherever I go. And I would say I'm still in a good part of town. Oh, there is a gas station up here. So anyhow, if you're just dealing with people that look like you, talk like you, is your same age, I consider that, buenos dias, amigo. I consider that a little boring. I like to add a little spice in my life. So I'm not even sure what the point of the video is. But anyhow, Crypto Mentor 99 found a Texaco gas station. I'm gonna go inside and see if they have any agua. I think I was here like 3 or 4 months ago. Anyhow, Crypto Mentor 99 on another adventure. Thanks for being part of my crypto family. And you know I love you. Bye-bye.